In front of me is Realme GT 60, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on additional settings. Now select keyboard and input method, manage keyboards, and Gboard. Lastly, after accessing text correction, use this switcher next to show suggestion strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!